Now, anonymous from Penang, the number is there. Number 1, I've been following PVH for 1.5 years. I healed by PVH from excessive period bleeding of 13 years. I healed Mr. Siva from bruxism for 50 years. Wow, this is great. She's saying that I have bruxism. That means people clenching the teeth at night when they sleep. It's bruxism for 50 years. I healed by Siva sir for bruxism for 50 years. I feel of excessive bleeding for 13 years. Penang, the land of anti-PVH. This is what she says. Her phone number is that. As a nature lover, PVH helped me how to bless nature and talk to nature. If not PVH, I would not know about nature. It's just scenery. Insects, plants, and animal kingdom waiting to be destroyed. Actually, they are listening and needs us living in harmony with us. She's saying now they're all listening and they want to be in harmony with us. Exactly. I learned PVH and help others to heal from excessive saliva extraction. I've learned PVH and help others heal. Headache, period pain, stomach pain, dissolve gallbladder stones, heal animal and plant. I learned slowly how to do sensing. I learned from Siva sir to practice compassion, kindness and help others without judgmental. Thank you, Siva sir. One day I can meet you in this lifetime. Really? You have not met me, madam? Let me call this lady. Let me call this lady and find out. 01242799028. Let's see. Ringing. Hello? No. Hello?
Yeah,
What's your name, madam? Hello? What, madam? Hello, I can't hear you, madam.
Hello, Siva sir.
Yes, madam. What's your name, madam?
My name is Agnes Lee.
Agnes Lee, you're Chinese, huh?
Yes, I'm Chinese.
Wow. I'm just reading your testimonial, madam.
Yeah, so happy you call me. Remember I said you are my idol?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Yes,
Yeah.
madam.
Good. Siva,
Madam.
you are great.
You have been having excessive bleeding for 13 years now.
Yes, correct.
Oh my God. Seriously, huh?
Now okay.
Now, okay, how were you managing for 13 years of excessive bleeding, madam?
I suffer because the period so much.
Wow.
Until I knew PVH on August year 2019.
Okay.
And after that, I read affirmation, and then I heal myself, and I follow your live session every day, non-stop.
Very good, madam. Very good. So now you're perfectly fine, huh?
Yeah, I'm fine now. Good.
And you're saying you got bruxism of 50 years, madam. Bruxism of 50 years. That's crazy.
Yes, from small.
Wow. That's a miracle marvel. It's a medical marvel, madam. Medical marvel. Healing your bruxism of 50 years, madam. You know how difficult for that. People are suffering. They bite their teeth every month, every night.
Yes, correct.
Wow.
Happy, sir. I'm very happy I talked to you. Happy, yes, very happy, sir.
Madam, I was in Penang on Wednesday. You never joined us, huh?
Yeah, Madam Omana called me, but I am now in Kedah.
Oh, you're in Kedah.
Ah.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Nothing to be sorry, madam. And you are saying that you have helped a lot of people, madam. Your headache and period pain, you have healed a lot of people.
Yes, I want to learn. I want to be like you, heal people.
You must be better than me, madam. You must be better than me.
No, you are the best.
No, madam.
I follow you.
No, madam. You don't follow me. You follow the divine path and PVH teaching and you'll be fine. Go out and go and teach people, madam. See, you got so much experience, madam. You know what, madam? Get someone to have a blog. You say, I healed my bruxism of 50 years. And write and let people come. Madam, what I will do, madam? I will put your number. I will put your number under the PVH ambassador for bruxism. Is that okay?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
So they will call, anybody will call you and WhatsApp or what and ask you and you can guide them how to heal that, madam. Understand, madam?
Correct.
I'll put for period bleeding and also for bruxism. Okay, madam?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
You are the best.
Now hold on. Let me give you a virtual hug, madam. Okay, madam. Done.
You are the best. I like you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
See guys. And what are we doing here? Are we bringing laughter and happiness in everybody's face, everybody's life? A woman having a period of, I did not see this testimony. I just put it inside and now I'm reading. I know who she is. She's giving us a testimony saying that for 13 years she was bleeding, eczema, and now she's fine. And 50 years of bruxism from a small child. What if everybody can be free of bruxism? A doctor from UK brought his son and he had bruxism. And after healing, he's totally fine today. He was only 5 years old when that happened. So imagine, this boy is going to grow bigger and bigger. If he was not healed, he'd be worse. And one fine day, he'd be like her, 50 years of bruxism. I met a lady in Mexico. She had bruxism so badly that the tooth started falling down. Because they bite so hard, the jaws become loose and she loses tooth because of that. So please understand, my friend. We want to help a lot of people outside there. So you are the one who's going to go out and help me to bring more people to help. So I'm going to put down how we're going to heal all these little things about, how do I say, heal about allergies. It's all step-by-step guide. Everybody can follow and everybody can do. Okay guys? So thank you very much. Right. Very good. Thank you, madam.